In recent times, there is a strong argument in favor of micro-lessons, micro-teaching, which only mean that the focus is on creating bite-sized lessons so that the students can learn them well, and that can prevent early dropouts from online courses. The problem is how to create micro-lessons. This is a big challenge, and at hubskills.com, we constantly try to find out ways to create small lessons and making them easy to learn. Take some examples. GIF animations are our all-time favorites to explain concepts in an easy way. Sometimes simple sliders can explain a lesson better than a video. What's more, students can go back and forth as they want to understand it. What about flip boxes? Nothing can beat its simplicity to teach subjects visually. Teaching by audio is always a great idea on topics like motivation, leadership, etc. that may not require visuals. And then there are quiz-like lessons, short, crisp, helpful. Teach multiplication. Insert quizzes inside video lessons. There are just so many options. Meanwhile, continue to make short lessons with video, like this example of solving quadratic equation. Even a dull subject like buying cycle can be explained with animated video. We mentor you to do all that in our bootcamp. But there is a lot more to do in our bootcamp. You will start from planning your course outline to sourcing and deciding your teaching materials, to creating the full course aided with micro-lessons where necessary, to launching the full-fledged online course on your WordPress website, supported with suitable tools. All of these in 8 weeks. In other words, your dream to turn offline teaching materials to a sleek online course is only a mouse click plus 8 weeks away. Get started now.